UK scientists include done a breakout how could assist protect the next of one of the planet's largest delighted bird, the gold orel. The job to untangle their gene coding is portion of a mission statement to succession 25 new genomes of UK kind. One of the crew outlined the growth as a actual play converter. How makes you unequivocally thou, yet he's fair the way such letters are organized. How makes you a humane, or an orel? Scientists choose the gold orel to include its genome sequenced, to include each email of its coding, recite and written, since of the importance of how gene data to save the bird. Dr. Rob Ogden, a preservation biologist of Edinburgh College's Roslin Institution, who was a conduct scholar in the draft, explainable how the blueprint for lifetime would supporting the control of the kind, though help conservationists to give behind eagles to areas wherever they include disappeared. Possessing an entire genome for any kind is a actual play converter, he told. It opening up a enormous sum of capacity study, all of looking at the public health of the poultry to the ecological, to how it reproduces, and so the is the start of a lot greater travel in gold orel biological. In next, we wish to be capable to display savage bird to choose the top bird to go about. The large raptors are found about the ball, in polar America, Europe and Asia. But in several countries populations are little and decreasing. As an vertex carnivore, at the top of the meal circuit, these bird of extraction are significant to their environmental. In the UK, they're an vanishing kind, explainable Dr. Wilson. Down there are lot projects to try to save it, know its biological and several of the data can be gleaned of possessing the genome of the kind. Scientists in Japan are already with the genome to know more than on the variety of the bird down there, wherever the people is by risk and in decrease. In the next, the genome could though ensure a biologic pattern to job out that bird of in another place in the planet might be candidates to strengthen the Japan people. Nearly all of such in the UK are found just in the Highlands and Islands of Scotland. Dave Sacriston, the RSPB's preservation official on the island of Ponder, monitors and helps defend the eagle's enclosure on the isle. But though in his encyclopedic expertise, the bird can be difficult to discover. If it rain fall, they'll fair discover a protected rock and fair sit it out, and how can recent for days in the winter, he told. Illicit harassment, survey and poison of the bird, is yet a risk to the kind. He's essential to aware quite on their biological and aerial and meal requirements, so we can defend habitats and appoint specific protect areas, Mr. Sacriston explainable. It would be a horrible losing if they weren't there. They present the complementary ghost of these mountain range and glens. They breed on the highest rock in the largest unavailable region, their attribute of these savage places, and we requirement to do certainly we defend them for the next.